Good day everyone and welcome back to BFA501. In this video we are going to learn about aggregate function in MySQL database. Aggregate function is a function that mainly used to get a summary of the data, which is mainly related to the numerical data. So as an example of the aggregate functions are max to get the maximum value or the largest value, min to get the minimum value, AVG to get the average value, sum to get the sum of the numerical value, and count to get the number of rows. So let's start to learn how to use these aggregate functions. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you some example to use aggregate function in temperature data example. So I'm gonna use select here from temperatures, okay, and then in temperatures there is a temperature data, but in this case we want to know what is the maximum temperature, and what is the minimum temperature recorded in the table in temperature. And to get the average temperature we can use AVG temperature. Okay, let's execute this one. Right, so from here we know that the maximum temperature is 36 degree. The maximum temperature recorded in this table, in our table, is 36 degree. The minimum one is the 7.2 and the average is 18.13. And then if you want to know like how many data been recorded, you can use this function count, and we just use star, because basically it's just to count the number of the row. Okay, see, so yes, so the average value is came from 762 row. Okay, 762 row. We can verify. Let's say for example we want to do sum of the temperature. Okay. Alright, so yes, and this is supposed to be matched because the average is basically the total number of the temperature recorded divided by the number of the temperature been recorded. We can verify with the calculator if you want. Calculator, calc. Okay, let's see, 13815.60 divided by 762. There we go. We have the same number here. Okay. So that's the application of the aggregate function here. And then let's try to make it more useful. Let's say we want to know about what is the maximum temperatures recorded in June 2015. Okay, the maximum temperature recorded in June 2015. So we are interested only in maximum temperature recorded in June 2016. So it means that we need to use where, because we want to filter our data. Where the year is year of the temperature. Date is equal with 2015. Yes, oh sorry, 2015, and the month, because we are interested in June, so the temperature date is equal to 6, because June is the 6th month in a year. And try to execute. So there we go. This is the maximum temperature recorded in June 2015. How about in June 2016? You can just change this one to 2016. And then we execute again. There we go. Okay. And let's see, like if you want to have an idea about like how many bacon flavor ice cream sold in June 2015 and what is the total average unit price. Okay, what is the bacon flavored ice cream sold in 2015 and what is the total average unit price. So in this case, just use this one first, select and then from. Okay, so in our case this time we're gonna dealing with the two tables. Okay, because we want to see how many bacon flavored ice cream sold in June 2015. So definitely we need the sales table and we also need the product table because the flavor of the ice cream is stored in the product tables, but the detail of the sales data or the transaction data is stored in the sales table. So we're gonna use the sales, both sales and products table here. So from sales, I'm gonna use S, for example, T1, comma, and so table products as T2. Okay, and then we need to join these two tables. So where T1 dot they are connected by product code. Okay, and then let's see again the question. The question is in July 2015. In July 2015. So we only focusing on July 2015. So we need to put another condition here where year of the temperature of the cells. So cells is T1, cell state equal with 2015. Okay. And because this one is asking about July data, so and month from T1 cell state equal with 7 because it's July. Okay, and then the things that you are interested is how many bacon flavored ice cream, and what is the total, and what is the total and average unit price. Okay, how many, and then the total and average unit price. So and we are missing one more condition. We are interested in bacon flavored ice cream. So T2 dot flavor is like bacon. Well, we need to use percentage. Okay, our condition is perfect here, connecting between two tables, and then July 2015 July, and the flavor is bacon, contain bacon. Okay, now we are going to move to this part. The data that we want to see is the number of cells, so we just use count number of cells, and then we are also interested in unit price. Unit price is in T2, sorry, T1. Unit price, the total number of unit price means you need to sum Oh, sorry, I forgot something. I forgot to use n over here. Hang on a second. Let's see the question again. Okay. the total and the average unit price. Total and average unit price. This is total unit price, this is the average unit price. The average is using AVG, unit price of the T1 dot unit underscore price. Okay, right, so let's see, let's execute this one. There we go. So in July 2015 we know that there are 31 ice cream sold with the flavor of bacon, egg bacon. Yeah, it's quite funny flavor for ice cream, isn't it? And then the total unit price being sold from this selling is 117.80, and then the average unit price for this particular flavor is 3.8. Okay, so I think that's all the things that we need to learn, or the very basic things that we can learn from the average from the aggregate function for this unit. Thank you guys and have a good day.